This is Hans for Wekking Electric, and we're going to give you a quick demo of our Big Bear system. This is a system that we sell for $15,995, and it comes with a dozen solar panels, and they're these guys right over here. Currently, as of September 2022, we have Longi 350 watt 60 cells in stock with split cell technology. So if the bottom of the panel gets shaded, the top will still give you full power. That's what that bus bar in the middle of the panel is for. But we're going to demo our advanced Big Bear system. We've really done a lot of tweaking and upgrades. Taken us a long time to get there, dealing with manufacturers, but we have the software and it's running perfectly. So here we go. So here is what you get for the components. First of all, you have your charge controller, which is right here. And without the computer, it tells you exactly how much power is coming in from the solar. Then the next thing we have is the Insight gateway. And then the black box there is your automatic generator start. It has multiple functions for all kinds of generators to automatically start and stop them depending on the preset battery voltage of your cabin. The next green thing over there is called a battery monitor. And we will only provide that to you if you go with the lead acid option, as we could get then a proper reading from the batteries. With lithium, we now talk directly to the Insight gateway. So this box here talks directly to our battery. And this is the battery that we provide. It's a 100 amp hour, 5.12 kilowatt hour battery, weighs about 100 pounds. It's got a 10-year warranty. It's heated, so in cold temperatures, it can charge up to -20. So this is a heated battery. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to demo to you is the Insight Connect computer screen. So hopefully this is still running. Yep, here we go. So it's telling us how much solar is coming in. So you can see the line. I'll just follow it with my cursor going into the battery, and it once in a while it tells us the inverter is running some power. Now we're going to turn on a load. We're going to turn on 1500 watts of power. And as you can tell, it's now taking power from the solar as well as the battery and inverting it and then running it to our house. And here it gives us the load that we're taking out of our house. So, and the solar is intermittent right now due to the fact is that we only have 2 panels connected instead of 12. So that's how that works. And in a minute, what we'll do is we'll fire up the generator and we'll show you how the generator function works. But there are very, very many settings here. We got devices, and if you click on this, and it takes it a second to come up. But here, now we're talking directly to the BMS of the battery. So these are the temperature, everything is directly from inside the battery. So it's very accurate, the most accurate battery readings you can get. So now we'll shut off the load, and you'll see in a minute that the draw and everything on the battery has decreased. And we go from there. And then we can go to, when I go to dashboard, we can click on the inverter, I believe here too. And we can get all the inverter stats. But this is all pre-programmed for you by Wekking Electric for the batteries that we provide. So you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. The only thing that you do have to do is just go to this setting here, which will take you to. And the first time that you fire up, you just have to click the inverter on and press apply, and you're done, and your inverter is on. And this same system, we can program for you. If you have internet on your site, we can actually get into it remotely, and we've actually fixed people's settings remotely on site. If something was lost or forgotten or something happens, we can fix it remotely from here. So that's the Schneider Connect Insight. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fire up the generator. Got the generator running. See, we're getting 2.8, 2.9 kilowatts of power going through the inverter, charging the battery, as well as the solar charging the battery. Our solar panel connections. So what happens here is you put 3 solar panels in series. So you plug one solar panel to positive and negative, and then the second panel positive and negative. And then on one side of the panels, you'll have a positive left, and the other panel, we have a negative for you. And we will give you color-coded cables for positive and negative, and you only plug in one way to your solar panels. There's no way of getting this backwards. Okay, now, then what you do, once you have a set of 3 ready to go, you connect the positive to this breaker, which is labeled, and you connect the negative over here, which is labeled. And then once you have another set of 3, you connect it to there, positive to here, negative to there, another set of 3 positive, negative, the last 3 positive, negative. And then you have a dozen panels. So this kit comes with a dozen solar panels, okay? And this is your ground bus. And what you do with this is we provide you with the rails and all the mounting hardware for your solar panels for your asphalt or metal roof. And what you do is you just bring a wire from here, from this guy, and you only tag each rail. And that's it. And then you bring your solar in. That's all there is to it to connect into solar. So your main connection points are here. Your battery is over there that just plugs in. And we, of course, for safety, have a ground. So you bury this thing 2 feet into the ground, and you connect this up to here and there, tighten it up, bury it, and now you have proper grounded solar system. And we also include a main panel. So if you've got a cabin and you want to add more circuits, there's a main 100 amp house panel here. And we provide you with 2 circuits, which is right here above the panel. So as you're building your house or whatever, you right away will have power from the battery. You just have to plug these 3 cables in to your battery, including this guy. And this is your communication. And this just plugs into your, right there, RS485, right there. And that's it. And then you've got everything up and running already. So that's how easy we make solar with our Big Bear system. Thank you. This is how you connect our Big Bear system with the lithium-ion battery packs. There's little push buttons on the side here, and that's only to release it. So the only thing you need to do, plug that guy in there, plug that guy in there, make sure the battery's turned on, and make sure that the main breaker here is turned on, and then you go over here, you turn on these 2 breakers, there you go, you got power. And that's all there is to it, to getting power off-site with our pre-built systems. It's Hans here, Wekking Electric. I've got Jonathan here with Vothium batteries. We just want to talk to you about why Wekking Electric chooses Vothium batteries as one of our suppliers. I'll let Jonathan take it away.
Hi, I'm Jonathan from Vothium Energy. Vothium is an Eastern Canadian brand who own an innovation center and where we develop different technology. It's all about lithium, energy storage. And today I work with Hans about a new technology. It's communication between battery, Schneider system, all the information from the BMS. So here is one of our successful battery. Very popular to power some cabin, telecommunication towers. Here, there's a communication we do. We go direct to the Schneider. This battery is 48 volt, 100 amps power. You can stack a very big amount to 500 kilowatt hour system.